Hello students, today we discuss the long answer question of chapter 3rd, Motion of Earth. In previous video we already discussed short answer question and few questions are remaining. So at first we discuss short answer, then long answer question. The question is, what is the difference between dawn and dusk? The period of diffused light before it gets dark, and this is called dusk, while the period of diffused light when the sun is still not visible just before sunrise is called dawn. That is the difference between dusk and dawn. Where do people experience equal day and night throughout the year? Answer is, at the equator people experiences equal day and night throughout the year. Next question, what is an equinox? What are these two special days related to equinox? An equinox is a day when the sun shines vertically over the equator and all places on the earth have equal day and night. March 21st and September 23rd are the 2 days that are related to equinox. Now come in long answer question. What is spring equinox? When does autumn equinox and spring equinox occur? On spring equinox, the direct ray of the sun fall on the equator. At this position, both the poles are equidistant from the sun and the entire world experiences an equal duration of the day and night. Spring equinox is on March 21st, autumn equinox is on 23rd September. Now, what is the differences between summer solstice and winter solstice? Summer solstice and winter solstice, differences between them. At first, summer solstice, a hemisphere summer solstice is longest day of the year. In the north hemisphere, the longest day and the shortest night occur on 21st June. At this time in the southern hemisphere, it occurs the shortest day and the longest night. This position of the earth is called summer solstice. Now in winter solstice, a hemisphere winter solstice in the shortest day of the year. In the northern hemisphere, the shortest day and the longest night occur on 22nd December. At this time in the southern hemisphere, it occurs the longest day and the shortest night. This position of earth is known as winter solstice. Now next question, write the help of diagram and explain how day and night are occurred. This one is the diagram of earth, north pole, south pole, here right and here right side on day and left side on night, and this is the diagram of sun. In front of sun area day occur, and in front back side of the day that night occur. Okay, with the help of this diagram, the day and night are caused due to its axis, where when half of the earth is facing toward the sun, then it is the day, and the half part opposite to the sun, then it is night. Now explain the phenomenon of season. The period of diffuse light when the sun is still not visible just before sunshine is called dawn. A period of diffuse light before it gets dark, and this is called dusk. As the sun moves away, we experience afternoon followed by evening and sunset. Morning and evening, it is the time when the sun rays are slanting. This is followed by moon when the sun is directly overhead. And this is the phenomenon of season. Due to the rotation of earth, season occur. Due to the rotation of the earth, season occur: spring, winter, etc. Okay. Revolution. Due to revolution of earth, not rotation, for rotation day and night, and revolution revolution, season changes: spring, winter, summer. These are due to revolution of earth. Okay. You also mention in this question phenomenon of the season due to revolution. Okay, thank you very much. In next video we discuss about the state government civics chapter. Okay, thank you.